Well, this is where the tariffs are supposed to really take a chunk out of these corporate profits. And if they do, if you start seeing a red all over across the board here, that means corporate profits are tumbling. That means what would happen? Well, they're going to have to lay off people because people aren't buying as much stuff. Then you start laying off people. You don't have to produce as much stuff. You have an unemployment rate go up, and then you have a deterioration of the economy. That's what we're hoping that doesn't happen. And that's what we're focusing in on, especially with earnings reports coming out. I just watched an earnings report, the call on CAT. I thought that was going to do pretty good, but they're getting hammered by the tariffs. And that was one of the stocks that we looked at one point, because this was part of the infrastructure bill that we were looking at. What do we add in our stock portfolio? Because I do Stock Talk Tuesday. If you want to check that out, we will be live today doing that. But that was one of our picks on how the economy is going to grow. This CAT was a good pick, but I didn't like it because of the tariff barriers between this. But here's what we're seeing that today. There's all these companies are coming out with their earnings the rest of the week, so we'll be reporting that. Let's get over and see how the news that just popped out on the servicing numbers.